numbers within even number of digits, squares of sorted array, and then we're going to do max consecutive ones. So let's go ahead and start with this one, find numbers with even number of digits. So essentially we just have to find the amount of numbers in an array that have an even amount of digits. So 12 would be one of them. And then 7,896 would be one of them as well, since there's 4 digits. So we'll start with doing a counter. And then we'll iterate through nums. And then from there, we'll go ahead and see if it's divisible by 2. If it is, then we have an even number. So if nums I length of nums go ahead and increase the counter value by 1. And then at the end, we'll go ahead and return counter. Let's go ahead and run that. Oh, I messed this up. There we go. There we go, perfect. So go ahead and submit it. Perfect. And then we'll go ahead and next one. So squares of a sorted array. So essentially, we just need to go ahead and go through each element and return the square of that element. So we'll go ahead and initialize a new array. So we'll call this answer equals, and then we'll iterate through the array for I in range nums and then we'll go ahead and append. So answer append, and we'll do nums I times nums I, and that will give us the square. And then we'll go ahead and return answer. Should be good. Oh, we have to sort it. It has to be in non-descending order. So we could do it right here, and this would work if we sorted it right here. So if we just did answer dot sort, that would work. If I spell answer right, that would work. But that would mean every single time that we're going through this loop, it's going to sort it. It's going to take a lot more computing time. So we'll just go ahead and go here. That means once this loop is done, it will sort it once, and then it will turn the array finally. So there we go. Let's go ahead and submit that. So let's just go ahead so you guys can see the time difference. So it's 27 milliseconds. Oh, let's see. Never mind. Submit that. And then we'll go ahead and go to our last one. which is find max consecutive ones. So we need to go through this array, and looks like just count the max amount of times that 1 repeats. So this one would be 3, since the last 3 are 1. So again, we'll go ahead and initialize a counter. So counter equals 0, and then max count. This is what we're going to return, equals 0 as well. So we're going to iterate through the array. So for I and nums, range, length, nums. And then we'll go ahead and see if I, or nums I is equal to 1. We will increase the counter by 1. We're also going to want to check if I plus 1 is equal to length of nums. That means we're at our last element. We're going to want to go ahead and see, actually, let's do this. And counter is greater than okay, so we're also going to want to check to see if we're on the last element in the array. We're just going to see if the counter is greater than the max count value. If so, we're going to go ahead and replace max counter with the counter value, and then return max count. Oops. And then let's see. So otherwise, so if it doesn't equal 1 and it's not another array, we're just going to check to see if counter is greater than max count. And then we'll go ahead and update the value. And then we're going to set counter back to 0. And then lastly, I think that actually should be good. So let's go, and then we'll just return max count. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. Let's see here. There we go. I was just returning it too early. Perfect. See if it runs for all of them. Interesting. So let's go ahead and just see if this one. Right here. So I plus 1. That should not be shouldn't be going. Okay, there we go. Let's see if that works for all of them. Still not using it. Okay. Holy moly. Oh, you know what? I am forgetting to I just need to move this out here because this is what we need to do at the end. That should work. Oh, what? Oh, sorry. Else can equal 0. Huh. I'm a little confused on what I'm doing wrong here. So if counter equals 1, if I plus 1 equals length nums, counter. We don't need a return right there. If the counter is greater than max count equals counter. Oh, you know what? I'm not setting it back to 0 right here. That's so stupid. Okay, so essentially what I did wrong there is really dumb. Once I'm resetting max count equal to counter, I need to go ahead and reset the value of counter to 0 so that it restarts a new running list. So let's go ahead and run that. All right. That should work. If it doesn't, I don't know. Okay, perfect. Let's see if there's anything we can do to speed up the time here. Counter. Let's make this look better. Yeah. All right. There you have it, guys. Thank you again for joining. That is my first live stream. So let me know if you guys like it this way. If not, I can go back to just recording. But I did want to do a live session for you guys so you guys can see me solving it and my thought process through it all. Let me know if you guys liked it. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay updated with my journey to become a LeetCod master. I'm doing problems every single day. So thank you guys again for joining. Have a good one. Bye-bye.